Hello friends, welcome to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making a crispy chicken leg fry recipe. You would have seen various ways of making chicken fry, but here I would be showing an easier and the best way. This can be made with common spices and ingredients that are available at home. Children love drumsticks, and this is a perfect choice for family lunch or dinner menu. The recipe works for whole chicken legs, but you can also make it with any cut of your choice. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end without skipping. So now let's get started. For marination, we need 1 kg of chicken which is thoroughly washed with salt and turmeric. This will help in removing any odor. Also, make deep gashes to the chicken. To this, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, juice of 1 lemon and salt to taste. Marinate it well so that the masala reaches deep inside the gashes. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and chili sauce each. For crispiness, add 2 tablespoons maida and 2 tablespoons corn flour. Add an egg and coat the chicken well. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and curd. Combine everything well. Chicken looks so juicy and tender. Keep the marinated chicken in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. For best results, keep them marinated overnight. Now let's deep fry the marinated chicken. For this, take a deep, heavy bottom pan and heat any cooking oil in a medium-high flame. Drop the chicken pieces slowly into the oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Flip the chicken pieces every 4 minutes until the chicken pieces are well cooked and crispy. Remove from flame and serve it hot. Our crispy chicken leg fry is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.